Hello everybody and welcome to my channel. Today we are going to install this memory that you see here. We are going to install this memory, that's ddr4 memory, and we are going to install this in this system. I also want to know to not forget to subscribe to our channel, because we are giving away nice prizes to subscribers of our channel. You only have to subscribe, and when you win something you will get notified. So here you see already 2 sticks in it. This is a very cheap memory. It was just to test the system. This board you can push here and then you can remove the memory. Below you cannot do that, so you just take it out like that. Voila. Never touch copper plates or things like that. Be careful with it, also for ESD. And then you have this memory, so you see here that it fits. So this is one, and then we have here two. Yes. Voila. This is 2 memory sticks. I had to push it extra a little bit. I think it's okay now. I see here that the motherboard is not completely well fitted. That a screw is not tightened enough. The problem is I go to fix this because this is not good. I do not like this. Yes, you hear that popping, and that's not good. That's a screw or something. I cannot get it loose. It's very weird. I don't like this situation. I'm seem not to be able to remove the screw. Anyway, I go to let the screw like that. It is stuck a little bit, but I do this later. But you see now how I installed this memory. I just pushed it in it. Always be careful not to touch the copper plates and stuff like that. With ESD also be careful. Never use your sweater and your don't touch your hair or your sweater. Remove your sweater and always touch some metal. Grounded metal before you work on systems like that. But now you see how I installed this ddr4 memory. I hope you like my video, and if you like it, please hit the like button, and if you subscribe to our channel you can win nice prizes, so don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you and bye bye.